Hi, this is Alex Eagle, the Master of Runes. In this video I will show you a runic stave designed to retrieve the soul. It was created by Cantas. The practice of soul retrieval is very old. It is a shamanic practice. It is believed that a person can lose their part of the soul when they experience dramatic events in life, stress, fear, horror, and physical and emotional weakness can appear, depression can appear, bad health, lack of desires, inability to achieve success, no sleep, no desire to eat, and the process of soul retrieval returns all the lost energy, all the lost soul to the person, restoring their power, health, and success. Later in the video I will also explain how to use it and how to activate it. This graphical magic construct is from my personal collection of powerful rune formulas and runic staves. I have gathered hundreds of powerful magical symbols. Those were created in the history of humanity. These magical symbols are amulets created for practical reasons like attracting money, health, love, but also for mystical purposes, for example protection from black magic, learning to astral project, and even developing your intuition and clairvoyance. All that is available to you right now. All the links are in the description of the video. Now let's try to dissect this runic stave and understand out of what runes it consists. Immediately we see the 4 Eva's runes. Eva's runes are runes of subconsciousness, runes of movement, runes of healing of the subconscious and unconscious parts of our being. These runes will locate the missing energy, missing parts of the soul, and try to find them and try to return them back, trying to bring them back into the soul of the human. Next are the 3 Otala runes. Otala rune is one of the strongest physical manifestation and physical presence runes. It's also a rune of the family, rune of the ancestral energies. Our energies are strongly connected to the energy of our family, energy of our ancestral spirits and forces. So these runes invoke all these positive energies for our support and for the positive results of this process. Then there are the now these runes. These runes enforce the retrieval of the soul, enforce the returning back of the energy to the person. The Cantas runes and the Sovilo provide fire, light and energy for the working of this stave. Also it burns down the obstacles, those might prevent the positive result of this stave. Rune daggers is the new stage in the life of the person, enlightenment, attraction of positive divine energies and declaration that now things will go much better. The runes Hagalas and 2 Lagos runes provide a gentle cleansing effect that destroys all the blocks, all the energetical attachments. Those might prevent the energy and the parts of the soul to return back home. And the 2 Raidor runes help the lost energy and the lost part of the soul find its way back to the person, to the soul, ensure that they will stay in the places where they should be. By the way, if you don't know the meanings of the runes, get my free runes PDF guide. It has the meanings of all runes, some rune formulas, divination spreads, and also an example of how you can use and activate the runes with a simple ritual. To activate this runic stave, you draw it on a piece of paper, then name each rune and what it does. Then you say an incantation. Then you take a candle, put it into a candle holder and put it on top of the paper. Light the candle and let it burn down completely. For this stave you can use the next incantation. By the power of this stave, make me whole from many shatters. I am whole and my soul is whole in one piece. In the name of all the gods and goddesses, Odin, Tyr, Thor, Frigg and Freya, let it be so. For a stronger ritual of activation that invokes the 4 elements, get my Rune Magic Quick Start course. This is a value-packed video course with years of my experience condensed into a short video that will enable you to work with runes in a safe and efficient way very quickly. Bypassing mistakes that beginners do, thus often prevent the runes from working at all.